Dude, getting my fixed gear and building it. So I had been wanting to get like a fixed gear for a while, specifically this Aventon Mataro. Though I had a bike already and I was trying to be financially responsible and not get another one. But then my bike got jacked, dude. It got stolen. I like left it outside for just like a little bit, a little bit, and then it got stolen. But it did put me in a position to get this bike, so that's dope. So I ended up getting it. Dude, I haven't put a bike together in a long ass time. So I didn't know much of what I was doing, but I was thinking it would be cool. I could make a video of me putting together this bike and then I could post it to show like others. But then they stopped making this bike. So no one's buying this bike anymore. And so I have no idea who this video is for, but I recorded it and I had it ready to go like a long time ago and just never posted it. So I'm just gonna post it. So if you ever find a place that's selling like an Aventon broken down that you have to build, this video is for you. Okay, and yes, I did think it would be cool to have a kickstand at first. Because I thought it would be cool to post up and then take pictures of the bike. But then I learned the helmet trick, and that's what I do now. Yes! I've been waiting so fucking long for this bike. Almost a year now. I've been just keeping my eye on this bike. And it's like, do I want it? Do I want it? Been doing research and looking and looking at reviews, looking at videos, saving money, going back and forth. Do I want a regular road bike? Finally came down to the bike coming in. Just got the new Aventon Mataro bike, 2018, and just got in the mail. Came in yesterday. I left it in my car, and being that it's in Arizona, I left this leaning against the seat, and it melted. The glue melted, and now it's like stuck on there, so that kind of sucks. About to do the unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Hopefully it's bike. It's easier than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, the way that thing fucking glued to my seat, you'd think it would be a lot harder. That's what she said. Got some cash in a manila envelope, which is nice. Can never do without too much cash. What is this? It's a thank you letter. One Mataro fixed gear bike. That's about it. Just a receipt. I got the scissors. So where to begin? Probably start here. Of course, one item is free. Kind of. Stupid brakes are on it. Who needs brakes? Does it have the grip tape on it? It has grip tape already. Okay. I'll save that till later. With the other little package. Got another thing free. First look, the seats. Gonna need these still. Like a lot. Oh man. Look at that. It just looks so good. It's like I don't know what. Nice. I've never put together a bike either, so It's interesting. Just checking out, appreciating the craftsmanship of the seats. Nice little subtle blue on the seat posts, or the seats. Actual seats. Actual seats. Free will. Free Willy. Make a movie called Free Will. Yeah. Ooh. Tires are kind of flat, but very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna set this over here. Maybe I could just wear these as like little chokers or something. Like that. Like I could be like a goth girl or something. Something like that. I don't know. Okay. Ooh. This one's a little tricky. The shaft is hard there. That's a trick. Ah, not too tricky. Wonder if I could throw it like this. I didn't mean to do that. Ooh. A second little wheel. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. This. Oh, is that purple? Okay, I thought it was blue. I have really bad, but when I saw it on the website, I thought it was blue. Purple's cool, but on the website it looked blue, so I got some blue accessories that aren't gonna match. It's okay. Damn. It's so pretty. Imagine that goes to the front. You don't want it looking like that. Ooh. I'm excited that that's purple, but at the same time, I wish I would have bought the purple accessories instead of the blue. But it's cool to have multicolor, right? Yeah. Alright, so you send the little gift boxes. See how I did that? Safety first. I did it with the sharp end going away from me. It's a little pro tip from the pro. And then here, you just use the guns. You don't even need scissors. No thanks. Just thoughtful though. Okay, I am gonna need these right away because my pedals don't come in till today actually. Ooh. What is this? Oh, bike grease. I thought it was like candy. Okay. Is this instructions? Aventon. Customer service. Ah, responsibilities. Okay. You're not supposed to have responsibilities when you ride a bike. It's supposed to be freeing, you know what I mean? Without responsibilities. Number 2, brakes are essential to safety. They're not gonna be very safe. Rules for bicycle laws. We're not gonna really follow those either. We're just gonna kind of just ride, do what we want. Know how to operate the bike. Okay, you know how to operate it. Let's see. No. Table contents. Down to, oh. Too bad I didn't have this when I was unboxing, so I could like pull that apart and name stuff, and I could look super smart. Like, oh damn. Check out the down tube. It looks really nice. Or check out the crank chain, crank arm. Check out the crank arm on this bad boy. Damn. Some sick ass push crank arm, you know what I mean? Big C bike park identification, road bike. Oh! You see the difference? One has a derailleur and one does not. Because some people need gears to go up mountains. Yeah. Rules of the road. Kind of just take that out. Rules of the road. We don't need the rules. So, actually, that's messed up. Okay, there's something on the back. I'm supposed to write down the serial number. I shouldn't take that out. It's like Michael Scott joke. Thank for the special place for bills. Assembling your bike, okay. I think I'm gonna need to open this now. Oh, yeah, baby. This just feels good. You know what I mean? It's like someone wants to attack me. I think that's what you do. You're like biking. You bike with your arms. You're biking and then and you will have my, what is this tool? Like, you will have my axe. You will have my sword. You will have my bike tool. Okay. Nice. I needed this for something else too. Okay. 10-in-1 multi-tool. Hopefully, I know what I'm doing today. We'll see. Let's put this together. So, there's my freewheel. I could tell because of that. Now we're not gonna go freewheeling today. This is from someone who's never put together a bike before in their life. Maybe when I was younger or something, I don't know. Don't really know what I'm doing. So if I can do it, you can do it. Fuck, dude, I don't know. Maybe I spoke too soon. It's good to me, but I'm supposed to put this chain on first. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. Yeah, there we go. Figure it out eventually. Cool. So cool. Then I could do that. Yeah. Okay. And then I could tighten that. Hell yeah. Use this bad boy. That looks way bad. Way bad. Yeah, spin, baby, spin. Oh, fuck. Okay, cool. So that looks good. Boom. Check that trick out. How do you like me now? Okay, what was the next step that it said? Fuck if I know. Maybe I could just put my seat in. This came with the package, so I have not had to use anything of my own besides scissors, which you should have your own scissors or knife or something. Slide in, baby. Now I'm supposed to use like some paste type thing, but I don't have any. So we're just gonna hope this sticks and I don't slide all the way down when I'm riding my bike. And I don't have like a torque wrench or anything either, so I don't really know what kind of torque I should be putting on. And I just kind of I didn't do it to the max, just enough to have it stable, and then I can adjust everything later. There we go. Hell yeah. Looks straight to me. Again, just kind of preliminary stuff until I can dial everything in. I'm really just super anxious to ride this. Oh, fuck. Look at that. Can't even see it, I bet, on camera. But I found that eyes like a fucking hawk. Okay. There we go. There we go. Feels good to me. R-M-A-T. Always after me, Black Pearl. Yee, Jack Sparrow. Okay. Feels kind of loose. Is that supposed to be loose? I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Fuck if I know. Come on, baby. There we go. Dude, this thing just looks fucking sexy. We're gonna be doing the pedals. So it comes with pedals already. I mean, these are cool. These things are kind of tiny, but I clip in. So we're gonna put these on. Oh, look, it comes with clips. Nifty, nifty. Nifty gifty. I don't speak Spanish. It doesn't really teach me how to install this thing. So I think I'm just gonna have to wing it. This is just more languages. I just need one language. So I got the half flat, half clip in. Where's my lube? It's supposed to go in nice and smooth.
That's what she said?
Yeah, it feels super smooth. So no cross threading, which is good. All the lube is starting to come out. All the juices, hell yeah. Cream pieing my bike. Just a little bit of grease. I need to name my bike. What am I gonna name my bike? Fucking jizz everywhere on this thing. Come on, dude. Catch the fucking thread. Yeah, there we go. Fuck yeah. Yeah. That should be it. Fuck yeah, man. But then I heard it's a good idea to keep the box in case you go traveling or whatever, so I'm gonna hold on to that till I get a bag. And yeah. think it's time to go for a test ride, baby. So I definitely need that front brake. I definitely need that front brake right now. I definitely need that front brake right now because it's been a while since I rode fixed gear. Dig it a lot. Feels light too. Look at that. Oh. I could do this all day. Look at that. Super light. Should probably take some pictures of it before I crash it.